Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सबको 1000 MCQ सीरीज में वेलकम है. दिस इज पावर प्लांट इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट. ऑलरेडी वी हैव डन 2 classes and 50 questions. Today I start 51. Question number 51. The efficiency of the superheated Rankine cycle is higher than the simple Rankine cycle because A. The enthalpy of main steam is higher for the superheat cycle. B. The main temperature of heat addition is higher for the superheated cycle. C. The temperature of the steam in the condenser is high. D. The quality of the steam in the condenser is low. B. The mean temperature of the heat addition is higher for superheated cycle. This is the TS diagram. ऐसा कुछ होता है. देखो, मीन टेम्परेचर जो हीट एडिशन का है वो इंक्रीज हो रहा है ना. दिस इज द मीन टेम्परेचर ऑफ द हीट एडिशन. इतना ओके इंक्रीज हो रहा है. जो नॉर्मल साइकिल था, नॉर्मल साइकिल में क्या होता है, नॉर्मल साइकिल जो था ऐसे था ना, ऐसा कुछ था. सो हीट एडिशन इतना हो रहा था. ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट. फ्रेंड्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 52. Which of the following methods is more effective to improve the efficiency of the Rankine cycle used in the thermal power plant? A. Increasing the condenser temperature. B. Decreasing the condenser temperature. C. Decreasing the boiler temperature. D. Increasing the boiler temperature. B. Decreasing the condenser temperature. If we decrease the condenser temperature, there is the more turbine work, so improve the efficiency. Friends, question number 53. The expansion of the steam in a steam turbine in a simple Rankine cycle is A. An isothermal process. B. A reversible adiabatic process. C. An adiabatic process. D. An isobaric process. Expansion and the compression both are in reversible adiabatic process. There is no compression. Pump is used. Next question. The correct order of the components in a Rankine cycle: A. Condenser, pump, boiler, turbine. B. Pump, condenser, boiler, turbine. C. Boiler, turbine, pump, condenser. D. Turbine, condenser, boiler, pump. A. Condenser, pump, boiler, turbine. Look it. Condenser, pump, boiler, then turbine. Friends, question number 55. When the state is being changed from the gas to liquid through the process of the condensation, the temperature A. increases, B. decreases, C. remains constant, D. may increases or decreases. When phase change, there is no temperature change, remains constant. Only state, liquid to gas to liquid or liquid to gas, state change, there is no temperature change, temperature is constant. Next, 56 question. Assertion A. Surface condenser are the designed on the basis that films-wise condensation always exist. Reasoning it is not possible to have drop condensation on the surface continuously at all times. Yes, both are true. Next question. The net work output of an ideal regenerative cycle is A. more than the net work output of the Rankine cycle. B. less than the net work output of the Rankine cycle. C. equal to the net work output of the Rankine cycle. D. cannot say. Next question. The net work output of an ideal regenerative cycle: A. more than the net work output of the Rankine cycle. B. less than the net work output of the Rankine cycle. C. equal to the net work output of the Rankine cycle. D. cannot say. B. less than the net work output of the Rankine cycle. Because regeneration में क्या होता है, ब्लीडिंग कर लेते हैं ना, थोड़ा सुपरहीटेड स्टीम को ब्लीडिंग कर लेता है, यानी बाहर लेके चला जाता है ना, इसीलिए वो वर्क डन थोड़ा घाटती हो जाता है, कम हो जाता है. Next question. Which combination of the following statements is correct? The incorruption of a reheated in a steam power plant. रिहीटर यूज करने से क्या होता है? ए ऑलवेज इंक्रीजेज द थर्मल एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द plant. B always increases the dryness fraction of the steam at the condenser inlet. Yes, reheater mainly this causes use the dryness fraction, increased dryness fraction. C always increases the mean temperature of the heat addition. D always increase the specific work output. D also correct. Always increase the specific work output. So option B is the right answer. B and D only correct. Question number 59. What kind of the energy output of the is obtained from a steam power plant? A heat energy, B sound energy, C electricity, D thermal energy. Steam power plant output is electricity. Electric energy is generated by the steam power plant. Question number 60. In steam power plants, the pump handles liquid which has a very small specific volume, and the turbine handles vapor whose volume is many times larger. Therefore, the work output of the turbine is dash than work input to the pump, many times large. टर्बाइन में ज़्यादा लगता है work according to the pump. Question number 61. In a heat engine cycle, which of the following process occur? A. Heat is transferred from furnace to boiler. B. Work is produced in a turbine rotor. C. Steam is condensed in condenser. D. All of these above. D. All of these above. Friends, question number 62. Filling or the decking in a cooling tower increases the rate of the heat transferred by providing A. Increased flow of the water, increased flow of air, increased flow of water and air, a large amount of the wetted surface. A large amount of wetted surface. Surface increase करोगे तो heat transfer भी increase होगा. Question number 53. The expansion of steam in a nozzle flows. A. Carnot cycle. B. Rankine cycle. C. Joule cycle. D. Stirling cycle. Steam into the nozzle. B. Rankine cycle. Question next. Steam is the most common working fluid used in the vapor power cycle because out of its A. Availability, B. Low cost, C. High enthalpy of vaporization, D. All of the above. D. All of the above. Friends, question number 65. Rankine cycle efficiency of good steam power plant may be in the range of 10 to 15%, 35 to 40%, 70 to 80%, 90 to 95%, 35 to 40%, up to 42%. Question number 66. Consider the following statement in respect of the regenerative Rankine cycle. Regeneration increases the efficiency of the cycle. Yes. The boiler capacity is increased for a given output. The capacity of the condenser is reduced. तीनों ही करेक्ट है, both C. Sorry, option A, 1, 2 and 3. Friends, question number 67. Isentropic efficiency of turbine is given as actual work output by isentropic work output, isentropic work output by actual work input, actual work output into isentropic work output, isentropic work input into actual work input. ये ऑप्शन होगा actual work output by isentropic work output. In comment. The vacuum obtainable in a condenser is depend upon A. Capacity of the ejector, B. Quantity of the steam to be handled, C. Capacity of ejector or the quantity of the steam to be handled, D. Temperature of the cooling water, D. Temperature of cooling water. Friends, question number 69. A closed vessel heat exchanger is which steam coming from turbine is condensed using supply of the cooling water at atmospheric pressure is called steam engine, B. Heat exchanger, C. Condenser, D. None of these above. C. Condenser. Friends, question number 70. In the Rankine cycle, the lower limit on the condenser pressure is due to the A. Expansion limit in turbine. B. Condenser size. C. Air leakage into the condenser. D. Temperature of the cooling water. Lower limit on the condenser pressure. Temperature of the cooling water. Question number 71. Which is the example for external combustion engine? A. Petrol engine. B. Diesel engine. C. Steam engine. D. None of these above. C. Steam engine. Petrol engine and the diesel engine are the internal combustion engine, which is called the IC engine. Question number 72. Thermal efficiency of thermal power plant is of the order of A. 15%, B. 20%, C. 30%, D. 45%. Generally, we take that 35 to 42% maximum. But there is the we can take that 30%. 45 is more. 20 is the more less. A is the more less. Friend, question number 73. The function of the condenser in thermal power plant. A. To act as reservoir to receive the steam from the turbine. B. To condense steam into the condensate to be reused again. C. To create vacuum. D. All the above. D. All the above. Friends, question number 74. If a reheater is added to a Rankine cycle, then usually A. The neat work and efficiency decreases. B. The neat work remains same and efficiency increases. C. The neat work increases and the efficiency remains same. D. The neat work and the efficiency increases. रीहीट में नीट वर्क भी इंक्रीज होता है, एफिशिएंसी भी इंक्रीज होता है. The neat work and the efficiency increases. Friends, question number 75. For the same maximum temperature in the cycle, the average temperature of the heat addition of a Rankine cycle compared to the of Carnot cycle is A. Not related, B. Same, C. Lower, D. Higher. C. Lower.